Assalamualaikum 3 class. As you know that our syllabus is covered of English skills. So from today we will start the composition. Means that how we can write an essay, application, story, and other things that are related to writing. So let's start. Today we will learn that how we can write an essay. So first of all we should come to know that what is essay basically. essay means effort, attempt, किसी भी तरह की कोशिश, attempt को कहेंगे हम essay, ठीक है. And when we are going to write an essay, we will write about any sort of, you can say that it may be of any person, place, any idea, anything, any object can be. ओके हम ऐसे कैसे लिखते हैं और टाइप्स क्या हैं अभी हम देखेंगे. सी स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे कैन बी ऑन पर्सन, प्लेस, आइडिया, ऑब्जेक्ट और एनी थिंग कैन बी देयर. Okay, and now we will study how we can make an interesting essay. First of all, if we will select any topic on which we have to write an essay. For example, if we're writing an essay of any person like Allama Iqbal, can be, it will be written in past like Qaid Azam, because they are no more in this world, so we'll write in past tense. But if we are writing about our favorite personalities, like my favorite teacher, my best friend, you can say, if we are writing on postman, policeman, so we will write essay in present tense. Essay is written in present tense because we are telling about something that is present in our daily routine, or that is present now, that is not in past. For example, if we're writing an essay on the personalities that have gone, they are no more in this world, we will write their essays in past tense because they are no more in this world. So the people who are, means to say, just like you can say that my best friend, she is near you, या she is alive, वो ज़िंदा है, और उनके बारे में जब हम ऐसे लिखेंगे तो हम प्रेजेंट में ही लिखेंगे, ठीक है बच्चे. एंड इफ़ वी आर राइटिंग अबाउट इन प्लेस लाइक लाहौर, मुल्तान, कराची, बादशाही मॉस्क, रॉयल फोर्ट, such essays we will write in present tense, and because they are the places, the names of places we are writing about the essays, so these will also be in present tense. And any idea, any sort of idea that you want to write an essay on, inspirational essays are there. And any object like living things, animals can be there. Okay, animals like cow, camel, any essay on any topic you want to make, so you will write in present tense. Essay is written in present tense. See students, person include policeman, postman, प्लेस, फैसल मॉस्क, लाहौर. आइडिया, माई हॉबी, यानी कि वो काम, वो एक्टिविटी जो आप अपने फ्री टाइम में करते हैं, वो हॉबी होती है, ठीक है. इट्स एन आइडिया. ऑब्जेक्ट एंड थिंग, माई बुक, काओ means animal can be there, camel, cow. So these are the main topics, the very common topics on which we write an essay. Alright students, and now we will learn that how we can write an impressive, appealing essay, good essay on any of these topics that we are given to us. Okay, so this is how to write an essay. हम ऐसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं. Firstly, we will decide any topic on which we have to write an essay. See, firstly, we will write its introduction. Introduction we will write. Secondly, we will write some, you can say that qualities, means advantages, disadvantages. इंट्रोडक्शन पहले करेंगे हम उसका, ठीक है. फिर उसकी मेन बॉडी लिखेंगे, मेन बॉडी, includes any sort of things that that are present in that thing. वो चीज़ें वो मेन बॉडी है जो उस ऐसे की, वो हम लिखेंगे इसमें, इस पोर्शन में, ठीक है. In this part we will write the main body, and then we will write the advantages and disadvantages, qualities, disqualities of that thing, qualities. And then in the final we will write the conclusion, that what is the conclusion of that essay. Alright, so this is how we write an impressive and interesting essay. Firstly, we will choose the suitable topic on which we have to write an essay. Then we will firstly introduce it, the topic, that word that is given to us. We will introduce it first. Then we will write the main body. Then we will write the qualities, disqualities, advantages and disadvantages of that thing, and then we will write the conclusion. And these points, these main you can say headings, will make writing essay writing more appealing, more interesting. Okay, because it's up to 3 level. I'll not explain more. तो ऐसे जो है वो इस तरह लिखा जाएगा कि हम पहले उसका इंट्रो करेंगे, उसके बारे में बताएंगे. देन वी विल राइट द मेन बॉडी, मीन्स विच थिंग्स दैट मेड अप ऑफ, उसकी कोई खसूसियात जो हैं वो हम लिखेंगे, ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद हम कंक्लूजन लिखेंगे, मीन्स टू से दैट इन दिस पॉइंट, इन दिस हेडिंग वी कैन ऑल्सो यू कैन से वी कैन ऑल्सो ऐड आवर ओन ओपिनियन, ठीक है. हम अपना ओपिनियन भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द वेरी वे हाउ टू राइट एन ऐसे. एंड फर्स्टली ऐसे मीन्स दैट टू डू सम एफर्ट, अटैम्प्ट को कहेंगे ऐसे, ठीक है. ऐसे इसकी टाइप्स, यानी जिसके ऊपर द टॉपिक्स ऑन विच वी कैन राइट एन ऐसे. दीज आर गिवन प्लेस, person, place, area, any object or anything. I also have given examples to you. So inshallah from onward we will I'll make your concept more clear and more sound about essay, because we will do on daily basis, we will do an essay for practice. Okay, I'll give you some headings and you will make the whole sentence on the base of that heading. So this is our today's lecture. Hope your concept is clear, that how we can write an essay.